Welcome to Vlogmas. What is Vlogmas, you might ask? Well, quite simply, it's creating a video and publishing it every day from December 1st through Christmas Day. 25 days in a row of filming, editing, and uploading a video. Now, you might be asking, as a business, why would I publish a video every single day for 25 days? Let's talk about that. Welcome to the channel. If you're a business owner, and more specifically, a business owner in the IT services industry, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell to be notified when I post new videos. So why would a business want to participate in something like Vlogmas? First of all, because it can be fun. But from a more practical ROI, actual business reason point of view, it does two things. It creates a splash of social activity and content that can be reused for months to come. It should also dramatically improve your filming, editing, and posting skills in a very short period of time. Video content for business is no longer optional. If you want to successfully promote your business in today's quick fix, attention-grabbing, social media-centric world, you must embrace and be comfortable with creating video content. So take that first step. Pick up your phone, record a quick tip or some information that's valuable to your target audience. Tell them how to be careful when clicking on links in emails, or how to identify a phishing email, or even tell them about the latest cyber breach that might affect them. Whatever you do, don't do a sales pitch. Next, slap some titles and contact info on your video and publish it. It might not generate anything the first time or even the 10th. But if you post it and then continuously post consistently, it will generate interest for your brand. As your skill improves and your messaging evolves, the success rate will go up. Now, over the next 25 days, I'm going to do some more vlogs about using video to promote your business with some fun stuff thrown in there too. If you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to catch the rest of Vlogmas, make sure that you click that subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I release more videos. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, keep learning, work hard, and most of all, live well.